Today we're going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs on a Fiat 500. Okay, those are the replacements that we have. They're 9012 55 watt headlight bulbs, good quality. You can get them online for only 13 bucks instead of paying about 28 for one of them at the store. Okay, first thing that we need to do, we need to open the hood of the vehicle, and so we can access the headlight bulbs that way. We have a video on our channel, guys, how to remove the headlights assembly. If you need to, feel free to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. We upload about a new video every day. Okay, we're replacing the left one because there is more limited room, and it's the same procedure for left and right as well. So this is the headlight, and on the back right here there is a cap. As you can see, this cap. So what you need to do, it's hard to see, but you need to turn it to the, okay, like that, to the facing the vehicle this way. It will be to the left, it will be counterclockwise. This is the lid that I'm talking about. And now right there you have the headlight bulb. So now again you need to turn, okay, that way. You can see counterclockwise about 30 degrees, and it comes out. Okay, and this is the headlight bulb. And now, in order to remove it, you need to release right here. You need to pull up and pull the headlight bulb out of there. Okay, this is the headlight bulb. Now we need to get a new headlight bulb, and never touch the glass part with your fingers, because if you do, the oil from your hands will make the headlight go bad pretty quick, because it will increase the surface temperature of the glass, and the headlight bulb will burn fast. So now you just get it, put it there, and now you need to just go in the hole right here, and you need to find the slots, okay, like that, and just turn this one the other way, clockwise. And all you got to do is just install the cap. Okay. Okay, guys, that's the whole procedure. As you can see, this one is the one in blue. It's pretty cool. Only for $13–14 you can get both of them. So thank you guys for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe.